You guys, you're gonna always hear my baby. Hey my loves, what is up? I'm back again with another video. I'm so happy to be back. I am trying my best to be consistent, and like I said, I'm not even gonna say it. I'm just gonna be throwing some videos out because, girl, just kidding. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing the new Colourpop You and Me collection, I think, or Lost in Love. Sorry. Wanna get lost in love with you. We're reviewing the Lost in Love collection, which consists of eyeshadow palette, Jelly Much shadows, and the glitter. I think body glitter, body hair and glitter. And then the lip and cheek balm heart blender. Why am I out of breath? Like, I'm not pregnant anymore. So I always look forward to Colourpop's collections when it comes to VDAY. So I'm about to go on D&D on my phone because everybody wants to call me literally when I'm working. Okay, for eyeshadow base, I am going to be taking the P. Louise times Mama Mitchell, the blank canvas. I know like a lot of people don't use this one to prime the eye, but I really like to, especially if I'm going to be using like bright colors. I do have the Rumor one as well. I just love like a bright eye. So, and I'm going to use like a thin layer because, girl, back then, tell me why I used to use like a thick ass layer. Like, what the hell was wrong with me? The first thing that I see here is this eyeshadow palette. It's Lost in Love. Shadow names are in the back of the palette right here. This doesn't have a mirror, which I feel like Colourpop never has mirrors. I can't remember. These are... this is the palette. I'm going to show you guys some swatches right here, as you can see. Super pretty. I'm going to be taking the first shade. I'm going to be taking Fave Tex, and it's like this red one right here. Yeah, this one right here. And I'm just going to stamp it with my Morphe, the M506. That used to be my favorite brush. I used to have like a million of them. But yeah, so we're just going to like stamp it right here. I am going to like blend it out upwards like this. I'm so happy to be back. Like, I don't know why, like YouTube was my favorite thing to do. I used to be throwing out content, 3 videos a week, literally. And if you do YouTube, you know that that shit is not easy because, you know, it's just harder. And now that I have a baby, a newborn, it's a little harder. But I'm trying my best to be getting my stuff together because honestly this is what I love to do. Like, I don't want to give it up because honestly this is my passion. So we're gonna clean it up. I don't know where my tape is at. I don't know where it's at. Once I do a concealer and clean it, it's going to be sharp, but that's what we have right here. Taking the color Yours Truly, which it's this berry color, and then I'm gonna take this one as well. This one's called Just Us. I like taking my eyeshadow all the way to the brow bone. I'm going to be taking Ever and Ever and then Amores. And that kind of just like blend that out right here. I'm going to cut the crease. And I'm going to go above it. So we have the 3 jelly shadows. Honestly, like, these are pretty cute. Like, I'm not going to lie. They're pretty cute. I love this one. I'll have some swatches right here for you. So we have this color. I think I like this one. It's called All Love. Oh my god. This is super pretty. Oh, I love that they have stoppers because usually they don't. Like, once you like open it, it doesn't have one of these thingies to protect it, and then it kind of like dries out. But this one's so freaking cute, you guys. This one right here is like light. It's really cute as well. They have that jelly consistency. I feel like with these, you have to take little goes a long way. This one is more like a peachy coral color, which is really nice, but this one's not going to be like the one that I'm going to be using. I think the first one. So now that you guys saw all the swatches, I'm going to be using the color All Love to apply it here. Ooh. Do you see that? Girl, so cute. Okay, yes ma'am. I'm gonna take this color Totally Smitten. So pretty. Girl, I'm over here trying to look at the mirror. This is why Colourpop, sometimes you do have to put mirror. Hold on, let me see. Just in the center. Oh yeah. And girl, I'm in love. I'm in love. I put you guys a little closer. I am so sorry, you guys. Like, I'm over here thinking you guys could see good right here. No. So this is what I'm doing. Going in with the same color, like the same berry colors. Just to blend it out. So we're going to be doing liner. Like, I'm going to do, what is that thing? Water paints? Like, yeah. I'm going to do Friendly and Witch. This is from Metamorphosis. They're so good, you guys. Like, their cosmetic line is bomb. Like, you guys definitely need it. This one's the Baddie liner. The Hydra liner. Yeah, so Metamorphosis. Super cute. And I love that she has like two. So it's a pink, a bright pink, and then a light pink. I'm going to be taking the lighter pink. Taking her liners as well. And these are so good, you guys. She's honestly the bomb. Like, ooh. This one would be good. Like, it'll be faster. She thinks of everything, and I love it. I want you guys to see how thin it is. Whoa. Girl, that was fast. That was fast. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was hella fast. I'm impressed. I haven't used it. I bought them like a while ago. So I applied some lashes. These are LOOOVES lashes in the style Bestie. I'm gonna go do this other eye off camera and I'll be right back. All right, loves, I'm back. So I'm using the lip and cheek balm, the Cutesy Wootsy. So cute. It's on my left cheek right here, and I think it's so freaking pretty. Again, this is a lip balm as well. You guys could do lip and cheek. So I'm going to just do that right here real quick. I'm going to grab some with my sponge. I use a sponge. It's pretty cute. I liked it. I like sponges, so I'm always for cute ass sponges. But it's super pigmented. It's really, really cute. I feel so cute. Like, this is like so Valentine right here. I'm going to tone it down. Like, I'm going to blend it in with my concealer. And the concealer that I'm using is the Fenty. Blend out the concealer with it right here. I feel like super girly right now. It came with 3, you guys. So this one is, let me see, Heart Content. And this one's Adore You. So Heart Content and Adore You. These are so cute. I love the fact that they're lip and cheek balm. So they are very hydrating. They're not super drying at all, but they blend really, really nicely. I also have the glitter, which I am not a big fan of, like, guys. I think it's cute if I had like an event. Like, this is pretty. It's cute. It's cute. It's giving like festival. It's giving like, let me put some on my cheeks or my eyes. But honestly, like, I never use them. I honestly think that they're really pretty. They shine so cute, you guys. I really do. I really think this is super cute. I think it's cute. But if I was like raving, if I was a raver, like, for sure I would use this. But honestly, like, I never use them. This is the lip liner that I use, the Makeup by Mario in Travis, the Tasha Denona lipstick in Charlotte. And then I went ahead and used the Colourpop Ultra Glossy, so in the shade One Kiss. Super cute, you guys. It just gives you the perfect shine. I love it, you guys. I think it looks really pretty. It's not sticky at all. Like, it's just super ultra glossy, like, but without the stickiness. We love that. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use this balm, this blush balm. This one is in the color Adore You, and I'm gonna use it in the center of my lips just to give me that little pinkiness and just a little bit. This collection, like I said, I love Valentine's. Colourpop comes out with it. I'm always so freaking hyped. But the colors came out super pretty, super pigmented. I love it. This collection is really cute. I loved everything. I love, of course, the palette. The cream blushes. I love cream blushes. What else? The sponge was super cute. I love cute sponges. And honestly, The glitter, like the glitter is like the only thing that I know I'm not gonna use. Probably give it to my daughter. The glosses are really pretty. The Jelly Much ones are so nice, you guys. Little goes a long way, you guys. Like I said, because if you go too hard, it's just gonna be like super chunky and it's not gonna blend very nicely. Yeah, you guys, let me know if you guys are gonna pick it up or if you guys already did. I know this is kind of a little late. Comment down below, but I'll let you guys go right here and I'll see you again in my next tutorial, guys. Bye.